This week, I'm trying to catch up on my temperature blanket. Some assembly required. I am a little bit behind on my temperature blanket, like mid-April behind. Oops. But watching me sit here and knit wouldn't be terribly exciting. So I'm planning to take little field trips each day and knit in some pretty places. That way I get to knit and you get to look at something different. Win-win! So, who's ready for some knitting adventures? My first trip is to the Eustace Estate. It's a museum and historical site in town. It's not terribly warm yet today, but the view is nice. It is really windy, but it's pretty, so I may have to move because I might freeze, but until then, I'm gonna get started. The wind is blowing my yarn around a little too much here. Look at it tossing that bush around in the background. It might be time to look for a more sheltered spot. It's pretty and peaceful by the little pond. I'll do a few rows here. I feel like I'm the only person around for miles. I may be pretending that I live here. I just looked behind me and saw how buggy it is. I don't think they show up on camera, but there's all kinds of tiny little flies. But it's so much warmer and not quite so windy over here, so this is a pretty place. And there's birds. It's still windy, but it's not blowing as hard over here. Probably because I'm tucked behind this pretty little hill. Doesn't it look like I'm in the middle of nowhere, though? I like this little house. I don't know what it was for, but it seems like something from a fairy tale. It's time for me to go home for lunch, but here are a few more shots of the main house. A little more knitting while I wait at dance class. Look, a bunny! I've lost my focus. Ooh, this morning is super windy and freezing, so today's adventure will just be on the couch. I have to say, the progress is looking pretty good. Here I am at another dance class. More time to knit. I think we have time for one more field trip this week. I probably should be editing, but it's nice out, and I don't want to. Here's Milton Landing, looking pretty cloudy today. Let's see if we find anything interesting. I don't know what this guy is doing, but I like it. Seems fun. Look, some friends are coming to look at my knitting. Okay, let me get to work. Uh-oh, it looks like I'm gonna run out of green soon. We've had a lot of 50-degree days. And somehow it's supposed to be 80-something this weekend. And here's what the blanket looks like now. I finished April, yay! I'm not exactly caught up, but I'm closer. Thanks for watching! I hope you enjoyed our little knitting adventure. There are still tons more pretty places to visit the next time I need to catch up on my blanket, so make sure to stick around. If you had fun, feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. New videos come out every Saturday, so until the next one, be awesome. I'll see you then. Bye!